Welcome to this instructional video on disassembling and reassembling a desktop computer. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you handle each component safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage. Before starting, ensure the computer is powered off and unplugged. Ground yourself to prevent static electricity damage. Gather necessary tools like a screwdriver set and prepare a well-lit workspace for the task. Begin disassembly by removing the computer case's side panels. Carefully disconnect and remove components in order: hard drive, SSDs, graphics card, RAM, CPU cooler, and motherboard, keeping screws organized. Handle each component by its edges, avoiding circuitry contact. Optionally, dust off components with compressed air and clean thermal paste from the CPU and cooler if reapplying new paste. For reassembly, start by securing the motherboard back into the case. Reinstall components in reverse order: CPU and cooler, RAM, graphics card, drives, and power cables, ensuring all connections are secure. Replace the side panels and tighten screws. Plug the computer back into a power source and power it on to test functionality, ensuring everything is working correctly before concluding the process. In conclusion, disassembling and reassembling a desktop computer requires patience and attention to detail. Following these steps helps prevent component damage, maintaining functionality, and extending the computer's lifespan. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By adhering to these guidelines, you can confidently handle computer components, ensuring safe and effective disassembly and reassembly. We hope this video has been informative and helpful.